explain principles of principal components analysis in data science. Hello everyone, I Sarthak Chauhan welcoming you all to in this video. So in this video, we discuss about dimension reduction in data science. Dimension reduction. Dimension reduction is the process of reducing the number of features or variable in a data set while keeping as much important information as possible. This helps to make the model faster, easier to interpret and reduce overfitting. Now, see key techniques. The principal component analysis (PCA) finds a new fewer feature called principal component that captures the most information from the original feature. T-Sense or TSNE, it reduces dimensional for visualization, making complex data easier to plot in 2D or 3D. Why it's important? So it is important for reducing complexity, improved model performance, and helps visualizing high dimensional data. Identifying multicollinearity in R-Python. So let's discuss about multicollinearity. So multicollinearity is when independent variable is a data sets are highly correlated. This can make it difficult to determine the individual influence of each variable on the dependent variable. Detection method, we can use correlation matrix or causal correlation matrix, variance inflection factors (VIF) or tolerance value to detect multicollinearity. Now, let's discuss principle of principal component analysis and or PCA principles. Principal component analysis is a dimensionality reduction technique widely used in a data science to simplify complex data sets used by transforming them into a smaller set of variables called principal component that retain most of the original data variability. Here's simplified examination of PCA and how it works. Variance and convariance. Variance measures how spread out the data is along each other column, and covariance means how two features change data. Steps are standardized the data, compute the convariance matrix, calculating eigenvalues and eigenvectors, sort eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and transforming the data. Now the key concepts, which is principal concepts or dimensionality reduction. So the principal component, these are the new axis or the direction that captures the maximum variance in the data. The first principal component captures the most variance and the second capture the next most and so on. Dimensionally reductions by selecting the top principal components, those with the highly varianced dimension in the data without losing significant information. Now, we are implementing PCA in R Python. We are importing a to file and loading a data sets. Now, we are using a function, then we are implementing or performing a PCS task in R and Python. Now, choosing the optimal numbers of principal computer. Scree plot. A scree plot visually displays the proportion of variance explained by each principal component. Look for a sharp elbow in a plot. Now, the second one is compu- cumulative explained variance. Cumulative explained variance. Calculate the cumulative variance explained by each principal components and choose the number of components that captured a certain percentage of variance. Now, interpreting PCA results, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Now, eigenvalues measures the amount of variance captured by each principal components. An eigenvector indicates the direction of each principal component in the original variable space, showing the relative contribution of each variable to the components. The second one is visualizing PCA with scatter plots and B plots. Scatter plots and B plots. So scatter plots provides a visual representations of the data in a reduced dimension space, allowing to see relationship between the data and points. The second one is B plot. Combines the scatter plot with the eigenvector, showing the direction and influencing the original variable of the principal component. Now, how to apply PCA to a real world data sets? So we are applying PCA to a real world data sets or a walkthrough. In this walkthrough, we will demonstrate how to apply PCA to a real world datasets using the Iris datasets in R. We will perform PCA, interpret the result and visualizing the data details. So I wish you understand from this video and you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.